Hey, blessings, friends. Happy New Year, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's your boy, Mr. Miles, and in this video, I'm gonna be talking about support and resistance, and I'm gonna be demonstrating to you guys support and resistance just on my charts. So you'll be able to learn how to use support and resistance on how to either discover whether the trade is either a pullback or a continuation of a trend. So if you're new to this channel, hey man, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because in this channel we basically talk about how to be consistent in the forex market. Remember, that is our key goal, and just remember that only 2% of traders out of the 100% are mainly consistent and only trade forex with a piece. So welcome back to this channel, and if you're still struggling to find yourself a cool broker, check my description or check the pinned comment, click on that link and open yourself a trading account with Xness. Click on that link and open yourself a trading account with Xness. And of course, if you need further of my help, check on the description and you can WhatsApp me. I'm a free guy. WhatsApp me and get to me and ask me any question you want. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment about what you think about this video, and in case you need more help, you need me to make a video about something, leave a comment so I can reach out to you and I can be able to help you and make a video about what you've left. Don't forget, guys, support the hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so I'm gonna be using NZDSD as a very good example for you to know support and resistance levels, because let me tell you one thing. Support and resistance levels is a very important tool to use in trading. It's very important because you can find both your entry and exit points using support and resistance. I told you one thing, guys, that I want you to have a vast knowledge, a variety of knowledge, because you have to be flexible and understand all the things, and you have to be able to trade in any environment, okay? So you have to understand even support and resistance, because they're very important. They help you understand when to enter the market and also when to exit the market. They add you more extra opportunities in the market if you're using structures like BMS, SMS, and you add on support and resistance. Hey man, you're good to go. So let me show you an example. Okay, the first thing in support and resistance, the first thing that support and resistance works is this. Okay, in higher highs and in low lows. Let me show you how. When you see a trade, let's say a trade was in an uptrend, okay, this a higher high, this a higher high, this a higher high, and this also a higher high, okay. If price fails to make another higher high, then this will become our resistance. Let me give you an example. So if this was our high one, okay, price came and broke this point to form the next higher high, okay. You get that? Let me repeat again this. Let me repeat this, guys. I want you to pay so much attention to this point because it's very important. Let's say it's a bullish move. Higher high, okay? First higher high. A pullback. Second higher high. A pullback. Third higher high. So this point here is our resistance one. Okay, then this is our support, where price gains more strength to form the second higher high, which makes resistance number 2. Okay, as you know very well, the trade does not move straight. It moves in waves like this, if it's in it. So I want you to know one thing. So this is resistance number 2, resistance number 3. Then this is our support number 2. Okay, now if price reaches this point, I'm showing you what we call now the major resistance. This is just the minor resistance. Major resistance for price to pull back, for price to change direction. If this is your higher high, okay, and we have price coming up to here, instead of price forming the next higher high, it fails to break this higher high, okay, then comes back down. So when you see this happen, you have to mark that point. That is major resistance number 1. Why am I calling major resistance number 1? It's because price has failed to break the previous high. This is very important, guys. Price has failed to break the previous high. So this is what I always do. If I see this, then I'm gonna do this. Okay, let me give you an example here. Let's take this example here. Okay, let's take this example here. This a higher high, then this was our biggest higher high, but this higher high here, after the pullback, okay, price failed to break this higher high. So what do we call that? So we call this point the major resistance, and I draw my line. Hey, make sure you only put where the candle closes or opens. That is the major resistance. Major resistance. You understand me, guys? Major resistance. So what do we expect the market to do? What I always expect the market to do is I don't expect the market to close above this point, 0.6835. But in case market closes above that point, okay, you have to be having two thoughts. Market can close even above that point, okay? Close above that point. Then if it closes above that point, then we shall expect a retrace, and that will become our support. Now, this will become our support. You get me? This will become our support, not major resistance. Now, let me repeat. If you look at NZDSD, NZDSD is moving on a long buy. To me, that is what I'm thinking, because I am seeing something like a bullish flag. Okay, I'm trying to have time so that we can keep trading together, guys. I don't know. I'm trying to see how I can be going live on YouTube so we can share some trades and trade together. So I'm trying to think that NZDSD will be a long buy. Okay, so I'm trying to think that price will come and break this higher high here, which I've drawn. Let me draw it again. Major resistance, number one. Okay, price will come and break that point. Then this will be our support and price will move up. That is my thought of NZDSD for this week. Not even for this week, for the new year. Because NZDSD, if you check on high time frames, man, it's bullish. It's real bullish. Okay, so that is my thoughts. So let's move on to what we are talking about, support, because I'm going to be showing you how support and resistance also can be applied on candles. Yes, let's not complicate stuff. Support and resistance can be applied perfectly on candles, on opening price and closing price. We are moving there. Now, let me repeat this again, okay? Let me make this clear again. Let's say if price is moving down, lower low, okay, this is a bearish move. So when you know price is moving down, okay, lower low one, okay, so lower low one. So at this point, let me say lower low one. At this point, price finds resistance, a minor resistance, okay, then it breaks that point again, lower low two, okay, minor resistance. Then it can bounce from the support level where price bounces from to make the next lower low, to keep on moving on that proper structure, okay, because this is a structure which is a bearish move. Now we have our lower low three, okay, let's say this is our lower low three. If it so happens that this is our high, our lower low now, okay, our lower low, if we expect price to form another lower low, but price fails and respects this point, so we shall mark this point our major resistance. Hey man, major resistance. So when you have this point, sometimes price can play around, but if you see price breaking that point, then this will be our support. I don't know. So this will be our support if it happens like that. But if it does not happen, if does not break this point, then and it breaks this point here, then the structure of the market has been broken, and we might expect this. We might expect a new trend, like a new higher high now. Let me repeat this again, guys. I want you to really understand this. Okay, I want you to really understand this. Take your time and understand what I'm telling you. Support and resistance are very important. Very, very important. I'm going to be showing you how to use support on candles. Okay, let me go to it. So assuming this is a bullish candle, it opens from down here and closes on top here. Okay, then we have again a bearish candle coming, but this bearish candle pulls price down and forms a wick, then closes like this, maybe like that, that is the bearish candle. So I want you to know one thing. This opening price, first opening price, okay, first opening price, we shall mark that point. Then you see, why is it that there is this wick here and it has failed to close below this opening price? It means this is a resistance point. If you spot these guys in high time frames, hey, you better think of something else. Okay, let me give you one example. I want you to understand this. Let me give you one example. Okay, I'm just failing to do something cool. Let me give you one example. Here is a good example of it. Good example. Okay, opening price. Okay. Now I'm looking for the one that I spoke about, something like that. Look at this. Look at, oh man, your pulling price. What's the problem with this? Okay, let me spot this. I've seen it. Let me mark it, man. Let me mark it and show you. Let me mark it and show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this, bro. Watch this. I want you to see these candles here. Oh, man. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Where is the candle? Let me look for it again. Hey, man. I'm not seeing this. Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me look for this candle. It was around here. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It was, yeah, this was the candle. So let me draw it. I hope you can all see this candle. This blue candle and then up to this. I want you to see the behaviors of the candle. So you can make sure that you can mark the opening price, the bullish opening price. It was that point. Then we had the bearish candle, the sellers pushing price, but they respected these points. So look at how they were respecting this point. So that is how you can bring resistance. You can bring resistance at that point. You can use candles to bring resistance. I'm just giving you an example. You can use candles to identify resistance and support points. It's very, very easy. Check out this example, okay? And go and look for a variety examples. You will see what I'm talking about and you'll understand what I'm talking about. So let me give you one secret, guys. If you trade market structure, okay, BMS, SMS, all those things, okay, I'll make again another video about those things, very clearly how to find your entries. If you trade that and you add on resistance, draw your resistance very well and support levels very, very well, and be patient in trading, there is no way there is no way you will not be consistent in trading. I tell you the truth. The reason why you're not consistent in trading is you're changing strategies. Okay, you're changing things. Stick on one thing. Keep on. Don't learn a lot of things. I'm telling you the truth. Just learn trade what you see. If you see that this is support and resistance, trade that, my friend. Trade that. If you drew your support and resistance, trade according to that. If price breaks the major resistance, trade according to that. Trade according to that. Don't be lied. Trade according to that. Okay, you've seen the structure of the market behaving like this. Then you see the resistance at this point. You see the support at this point. Trade in line with that. Don't change things, bro. If you change things, you will worsen your trading. You will make your trading rough and you won't enjoy trading. So I don't want to make this video very long. Okay, I don't want to make this video very long. If you feel like the video is helpful to you, man, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss most of my videos. And if you know you're struggling with a broker, check the link and open yourself a trading account with Xness. Okay. And if you also need funding, man, go and check on these prop firms, FTMO, My Forex Fund. If you need to be funded, those are the real guys that can help you. So let me tell you one thing. I wish you all the best, guys. Observe proper risk. That is the only way you'll make money in trading. That's the only way you will enjoy trading. If you don't want to get stressed in trading, accept to lose what you can, man. Don't risk. Don't open a trade and be awake the whole night. You will not enjoy trading. You will get strained, you will get stressed, and the next day you will blow your account. Okay, even if you have 100 USD in your account, trade it for a full year without blowing. Use 0.01 and move slowly. You will enjoy trading. Hey man, I wish you all the best. Let's meet in the next video. Okay, and I'm telling you that I'm seeing a way of making sure that we keep trading together. We keep trading together maybe like 3 times in a week. I'm seeing how, I don't have time sometimes, but I'm seeing how I can be able to go live on YouTube so I can be able to show you my charts and we can trade together. Wish you all the best. See you next time, friends. Bye. So I'm stopping the recording.